To turn on or off auto battery saver in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter battery options, and then we can go for the battery saver. If you scroll down, there's schedule and reminders, and here we have the option for turn on based on battery level. So when your battery level drops to the percentage that is listed right here, it will activate automatically. So if we want to turn it off, make sure that it's disabled. You can also turn any of the options inside, but they won't affect your battery saving toggle on automatically. Next thing is in battery saver again, if you go back, there's adaptive battery that it can deactivate. What it does, it basically tries to adjust all of the background processes so to make your battery life longer. So you can also activate or deactivate it, but I would honestly recommend to turn it on as it doesn't necessarily activate battery saver on its own. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.